This house is built on a 25 by 40 plot, and it has no setback on the left hand side and the right hand side. However, it is fully ventilated. I will take you through the inside in a moment, but we are just looking at the outside of the house. So before that, please do subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like the video, and you can contact us for any custom requirements for 2D drawings or for 3D visuals of your 2D plans. So this is the inside of the house. This is the big hall or the living area, which is well ventilated. That is the TV stand, and then going inside you can see the stairs, and then there is the bedroom, and then there is the kitchen. So this is the main bathroom, and then if you take these stairs it will lead you to a room. So let us see one by one. So this is the kitchen, which has a door to the back side of the house, and this is one of the rooms with attached bath. It has wooden flooring, and then there is a French window for ventilation, and this is a small attached bathroom. We tried to manage to accommodate a bathroom, although the size of the house is very small. And this one is the main bathroom or the common bath, which is quite big. It is 5 by 6, and this is also well ventilated. And then as we take the stairs, we reach to the other bedroom, which has a balcony, and this also has a small bathroom, which we will see in a moment. So this is a small L-shaped bathroom. On one side we can have the lavatory, and the other side we can have a shower. And this also has a beautiful balcony, as you can see. This is about the ground floor. So let us go to the first floor. So this is the first floor, and then you have a common living area or entertainment area with very good ventilation. And to the left hand side you have two rooms. This is just above the kitchen, and this one is just above the room which is below, so it is very similar. This is the main common bath, and now instead of the room we have this huge sit out. So this one is a nice place to chill out. And then we have this small L-shaped bathroom, just like on the first floor. Now we are going to the second floor, which goes to the terrace. So this is the terrace. So guys, hope you like this video and this design. Please do give us a like. Check out our channel playlist for many such designs, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.